Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 3. Holding of documents together is done with the use of dash machine. A. Fax machine. B. Perforating machine. C. Photocopy machine. D. Scanning machine. And E. Stapling machine. So we are asked to pick an answer which is a machine used for holding documents together. Now before we can pick this answer, let's look at the uses of the following machines. Now A says fax machine. Fax machine is a machine simply used for both sending and receiving of documents. So a fax machine is designed for both sending and receiving what? Documents. Then B says perforating machine. Now perforating machine are used for stamping. They are used for stamping or making lines of holes or perforations, in documents, that is on the paper, for the purpose of what? For the purpose of separation, that is to facilitate separation. So meaning that a perforating machine do not hold documents together. Instead, it's mainly for the purpose of separation. And an example, you see this in what? In receipts book. Like in receipts book, you notice that what? Lines of holes are made for the purpose of separation, easy separation. This is actually done by the what? Perforating machine. Now C here says what? Photocopy machine. Now photocopy machine are simply used what? To produce duplicates. They are used to produce duplicates of an original document. Duplicates of original documents. Then D says scanning machine. Now scanning machine are used to capture images. They are used to capture images from documents, either from magazines or from bills, from posters, for the purpose of what? Editing them, for editing or display. Now E here says what? Stapling machine. Now stapling machine is simply used to what? To insert staples. These staples are actually made up of metal into sheets of paper, that is our documents, into sheets of paper, in order to what? To hold them together, in order to fasten them. This fastening simply means what? Holding, in order to hold them together. So stapling machines are simply used to what? Insert staples into sheet of paper, into the document, for the purpose of holding them together. Now the question says holding of document together is done with the use of dash machine. And for my description below, it can't be fax machine because this is used for sending and receiving documents. It can't be perforating machine because it's used to what? To make lines of holes for the purpose of separation. It can't be photocopy machine because it's used to what? Produce duplicates of original documents. Likewise, it cannot be scanning machine because this machine is actually used to capture images from documents. So therefore, it is stapling machine because stapling machine inserts staples into the document for the purpose of what? Holding them together. So the answer to this question is option E, stapling machine. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.